right, good evening. So this is the circuit for the auto ladder robot that I built last week. This would be one of multiple of these circuits that would go along the different sections of the ladder. So the ladder, which I can give a picture of, looks like this. So you would see each one of these sections would have one of these Arduino circuits on it. As you can see in the description, the gray box right here is the Arduino box. So that would help control the motors, the LEDs, which will show in the circuit in a second. There would be multiples of these along the different sections of the ladder to help control the different segments. All right. So, all right, so we'll go ahead, we'll turn the simulation on. All right, so first off, so we've got our code. So we're using the IR remote with the sensor right here. We've got a force sensor with the LED, and then we've got our two motors. So what I'll do is kind of go through it, show it working. So first off, for the force sensor, excuse me. So if you want to see the serial monitor with the force sensor, turn it on. We see the difference in the serial monitor here, and also we see the LED light coming on. And we can see that down in the code here. So once the force is over 100, it's going to cause that digital right 3, the LED to turn on. Okay, so and there you can see the difference. Okay, so what the force sensor is going to be used for here is the, oh, excuse me, where did it go? Oh, sorry, right here. So the force sensor is going to be along these bottom rungs here. You can kind of see those black bars right here, so that way that the ladder can detect when someone is getting on it. And then also for that 350-pound weight limit, these force sensors will help make sure that it's within tolerance. And then, you know, that pressure amount can be adjusted right here, so that if it's over the amount, you know, that's when the LED would go off. So that's kind of one of the first safety checks and everything of this. All right, so the next part going into it is for the motors, which are going to control the different parts of the ladder. So here I have programmed the reverse, your play button, the pause button, and then your forward. So as we can see right now, the motors are not spinning. If we push forward, the RPMs are going to spin in a positive RPM. Both of them are spinning positively in the same direction. Since this is a ladder, not a car, we don't want them going opposite ways in breaking the ladder. All right, so we can see that down here. All right, that's where they're going to be going in that direction. All right, if we hit the pause button, see if you saw the 5 pop up real quick there, that's and then the RPMs are now to 0. We hit the reverse here, and now they're going in a negative motor. So using these is how you could automatically control the ladder. And then, you know, in the future, we could always program some other buttons if we wanted those preset positions as well. And that about covers everything for this Arduino circuit.